Here's a quick tip for you. LT230 transfer case. You're going to change your oil. Getting the oil out is really easy, but filling it up is a bit tricky because you usually find that somebody has really reefed up the plug to fill the filling plug. It's a 1/2 inch female square drive, so you get your 1/2 inch socket, but you can't get it in for the cable. Sometimes you have a real struggle. So here is what I use. Say this thing here. This is off a Tommy bar. I've had this one since I was 16. I think I've got it well used now. But you can pick these up in garage sales and car boot sales, antique junk shops for pennies. Take it off, throw the handle away. Because all you want is this bit. And what you're going to do is get your grinder, or bench grinder or angle grinder, whatever, and just slightly taper this, just ever so slightly. And it doesn't matter about the ball either, just grind that off. And then you can put this in and turn it a little bit with a screwdriver or a bar, pull it out, turn it, and a little bit at a time, and then it'll come free. Because it's got a great big hole in there, and you can put a screwdriver in there and turn it around. And it really works. It'll save you hours of frustration, because it's just the right length to miss the transfer brake. Anyway, we'll talk to you later, and look at us making Land Rovers better and better by the day. See ya!